Welcome back to my channel. Come back to my channel. It's your girl Jaylee. So, yeah, I'm back with another review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Makeup Revolution Precious Stone Emerald Palette. I got it from Ulta. Oh, can't get in it. It's hard. Oh, the thing just fell out. And this is what the palette looks like. It's pretty. It's pretty. I think it was like $9 on sale. But then I looked at the website today and it was like $7.97. It's pretty. I'll say that. It doesn't look like it's pigmented. It looked better online. I'm going to test a couple of the colors out right now that I think I want to use to see if they're actually pigmented. So we're going to try Majestic, Moss, Paradise, Fern. That one's okay. Gem, Firework. Try some of these bigger ones. Oh, those hurt. Now, I'll say the shimmers in this palette seem to be a pinch better than the matte. Okay, so the palette doesn't look to be as pigmented. But I'm going to try it out and see what we get. Okay, so I'm back. And I'm going to give y'all my final thoughts on this palette. Um, the green was pretty good. Majestic. Moss was okay. Um, none of these here in this center row were really good. It's their mushy, sort of. I don't even know the consistency of it or what I would call it. I was trying to tap a few of them out, and they just weren't coming out on my eyes. So I had to go with something totally different from what I'm actually wearing to church. But I had already started, so I had to finish it. This palette, because I already have a bunch of the colors that are in here and a bunch of the colors that are better. This palette is going to be a no for me. I'm actually going to return this palette just because it's not something I would ever pick up. And the bad part about it is because I love their concealers. They are great. And I've tried a few of their other products and I did like them. This one is, I didn't. And I feel bad because I didn't. It wasn't that blendable. You can't see it from there, but my eyeshadows are actually really patchy. But I really don't have a lot to say about it because it was just, to me, all wrong. But I'm going to try another one and see if that works. But this one, the Precious Stone Emerald palette, is going to be a no for me. Because I just didn't really like the formula of them. Of the, I guess, shimmers and the mattes. Some of them are really patchy. They're pigmented. Some are. And then some are like dust. So it's not enough consistency through the palette. But I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for sticking through to the end of this tutorial. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And be on the lookout for some more reviews. If y'all have products y'all want me to try out, comment them down below, and I'll do my best to get my hands on them. And I will see you later, my babies. Love you.